The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Smart Lock is a versatile 6-in-1 keyless entry door lock that includes features such as an anti-peep keypad, smartphone app control, auto unlock, compatibility with Apple Watch, and voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant. This smart lock allows you to manage access rights, view access logs, and share temporary codes and Ekeys from anywhere using the smartphone app via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, providing convenient access management. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Smart Lock has an auto lock and auto unlock feature that locks on a preset timer and unlocks when you arrive at your door with your smartphone in your pocket, and also includes a low battery alert via app. Certified for its highest security and durability, this smart lock meets the ANSI Grade 1 standard and is proven to be up to 35 times stronger than standard residential locks with a 7 times longer lifespan. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Smart Lock is designed for do-it-yourself installation and can be fitted on most U.S. standard left-handed or right-handed doors with just a screwdriver in 10 minutes. Backed by ULTRALOQ, the world's leading smart lock brand with more than 1 million happy American users, this smart lock comes with a lifetime mechanical warranty and 18 months electronic warranty, along with lifetime online phone support and 24/7 after-sales email service.